live.
Yes. Hi, everyone. This is Oscar here from Cubicle Ninja and my partner, Reynold Bascos.
Mm-hmm.
We'd like to share another value again to you guys, especially to the group that we've created, the Learn and Become Leader. From there, we can post a regular value tutorials on Builderall, especially Builderall platform tools. We've been doing this for many years, promoting the Builderall tools and also the RPM tools, RPM sales funnel that James Neville Taylor uh, created. And yeah, we just like to say hi to all our uh, new members that join with us for the next couple maybe days. We kind of like wanted to introduce uh, on how you can create a lead magnet in order for you to collect email lists, organically to any of your let's say social media platform that you want to advertise or post that funnel. So we know that a lot of RPM users have really no idea about Builderall, and perhaps maybe some business owners are already into Builderall platform and they have no idea how to utilize the tools itself. This is where we came up this I'm gonna share with you
Mm-hmm.
screen with you guys about the page that we had, the group that we had,
Yeah.
which is the
Now you're sharing the screen, bro.
okay, the Learn and Become a Leader group, but it does not show up the live.
No, it's showing up now.
Oh, really?
Check it, yeah.
Okay, where is
Refresh
it?
the page, yeah.
Okay, yeah. So we're here in our
Yeah,
page right here, right
right
now.
there.
Yes. Yeah. So basically, this is what we create. Our group. We basically uh, teaching, about the use of the Builderall platform,
Mm-hmm.
the tools inside, and we really very proud of using the tools itself. And for those of you who are into the RPM, sales funnel, and have no idea how to use the platform itself, the builder all, and the way you can utilize them, and also find way to how you can literally make that tools in order for you to make money or income online. There's a lot of ways if you guys have no idea yet. With that platform, you can literally create your own website design agency, digital marketing services. It's because of all the tools that inside there. There's like email marketing, an e-learning course, apps that you can literally create your own e-learning courses if it happened, to be that you are into um, any kind of you want to share to
Mm-hmm.
anyone, and also the way if you have an e-learning course with regards to, let's say, digital marketing, or if you're an influencer, right? So uh, anything that you could be kind of like a chef that you want to promote your uh, skills and share the value that you have, by doing e-learning courses, that inside the builder of tools is one way for you to create an online, income inside the builder all. right, Reynold?
Yes, yes.
Exactly right. So this is the thing, why we come up to this group. So kind of
Mhm,
like trying to educate, not only uh, you know RPM users, but we also want to share this to any business owners. If you're a business owners and you don't have a builder or platform yet, we encourage you to get one, because in this platform you can have a sales funnel as well,
mm,
creating a sales funnel. What else, Reynold? Can we have a lot. There's like 42 apps that you can use, in order for you to maximize the use of these tools. So yeah.
there's a lot of tools in Builderall.
Yes. Mm-hmm. And next week, we're gonna have a full tutorial about
Mm,
lead magnet. Actually, the lead magnet is already inside the builder all.
mhm,
It's a made and done for you template. You can just literally change, the content,
mhm,
and we're going to teach you how you can use that to get um, subscribers list, in order for you to uh, get their email and use that email to retarget them, you
mhm,
know and in that way, by using that system, eventually you can also offer, those email subscribers that went into your lead magnet. You can use that to sell other product that you have. uh,
mhm,
do you want to offer, right?
mhm,
Example, let's say if you want to offer the RPM with them, you can literally send the your affiliate link system,
mhm.
to those people who subscribe to that lead magnet that you create. And we're gonna have the full tutorial on that, where to get the products, because basically the lead magnet is you have to have some kind of previous offers, right, brother
Yeah.
Reynold?
Yep.
You need to have some kind of ebook, or it could be a software that you want to give away, in order for them to get your, you know them to opt in into your email form. So you kind of like wanted to, share them some value. And in this case, you will also, create some kind of authority and trust, when you kind of like following up with them. But
Mhm,
basically you want to give them a value first. You want to nourish them, so they will put their trust in you. And eventually, if you want to, offer them some value, they can literally decide, if they would trust what you have, and if the offer that you are giving them is really valuable for them. So yeah, we're gonna have all those tutorials with you guys, right?
yes. Yeah. So, yeah, there's a lot of things you can do with the
Mm-hmm.
Builderall. So once you sign up with RPM,
Mm-hmm.
you also have an access to your dashboard in Builderall. So use the tools inside the Builder.
Yeah. Since you're already in there, right? You have the RPM system, and by signing up to RPM, of course, you're gonna have to, get the builder or platform. And since you are
On
already have the tools,
Yeah.
why not using it? Utilize. Make that tools work for you both, because this
Mhm.
two business is like a powerful one that ever come across in the market, ever, none other,
Mm.
so yeah, this is what we wanted to share with you guys. Keep watching us. Every week we have values that we share here, and we also have a YouTube channel where you can have our previous videos, tutorials, mainly regards to Builderall and digital marketing. So
Mhm.
that's it.
Yeah. So see you again. And if you have any question about Builder,
Hmm.
just write it down on the comment section under this
Yes.
video. And then we'll see you maybe next week. Bro.
Next week we're gonna do this, on a regular basis, and we also have some guests, mainly people who are into digital marketing as well,
Yeah.
and in RPM. Okay.
And
Again,
uh,
thank you so much.
if
Yeah.
you're watching this in YouTube, in my YouTube channel,
Hmm.
they're all Filipino, join this group, Learn and Become a Leader. It's a
Yes.
group made by Oscar.
We provide values.
Yeah.
We
A private
provide
group.
learning,
Make
and
sure
yeah.
you join. So Oscar will admit you,
Hmm.
accept you as a new member. And then once you join, you will see all the tutorial we're gonna make
Hmm.
on this group. Yeah, just
Exactly.
learn and become lead. Yeah, or
And
maybe we can share the link to this group.
yeah, we can do that. I think we can leave the link, where
Mm.
to
Uh,
find us.
yeah,
Yeah. So
yeah.
in the
Or if
future.
you're watching this in the other group, because we're multi-streaming using StreamYard. We're
Mhm.
streaming in this group, Learn and Become a Leader. We're also streaming in another Facebook group, which is the Virtual Assistant,
Yes,
Sambayang Filipino,
we are all over the place.
and also streaming in YouTube channel.
Yes, yes. So, you know, keep
Yeah.
watching us. The next topic or tutorial we're gonna have is about lead magnet, and it's already in your Builderall platform. Take advantage of it, and you know, I know some of the RPM user, they're spending. I mean, they use solo ads in advertising. That's also a good way to get more leads, right? Direct leads. But there's a lot of way. Like, for example, having an active social media account
Mhm.
is number one. Creating, a YouTube channel, creating, a group, would be a perfect one too. Joining to, a big groups, in order for you to generate, an organic leads, right? So if you are into RPM, we suggest to have an active presence in social media. And it's not only for RPM, user or builder. It's for every business owners. You need to be active in social media in order for you, to get exposed and literally sending values, in order for you to get clients or subscriber, or
Mhm.
that's how you do it. Okay.
All right.
All right. See
Thank
you
you.
again next week for our live. It's not actually live because it's really, it's really hard creating, a tutorial on a live version. But we were gonna have a recorded one for you, so
Mm.
you can be able to follow all these tutorials that we're gonna have. So again, thank you very much.
Mhm.
This is Oscar from Cubicle Ninja and my partner Reynold
Mhm.
Vascos. You can follow him as well in his YouTube channels and in his group. Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a
And
great day.